Today we are going to take you through the Master Deliverable Register and Transmittals, or MDR&T for short, capability in Teamcenter. This is centered around the Master Deliverables Register, or the agreed list deliverables between stakeholders during the planning phases of a project, and then combined with robust document management, workflow and document distribution capabilities to drive execution and monitoring of those individual deliverables, their traceability and maturity. The overall demonstration will cover the creation and configuration of the MDR and its deliverables, moving on to the management of those deliverables, including adding content and approving them. We will then look at two types of transmittals: outbound to get comments on the contents of documents associated with the deliverable, and inbound to show external partners populating content. In this section, we will show how the master document register containing a structure of all the required deliverables is created based on an Excel input file. We will then move on to some program manager administration of the MDR by adding rules of credit and an assignment matrix definition to control who receives tasks during the execution and sign off of the MDR content. First, let's see how we set up the master document register in Teamcenter. We are going to do this by using an Excel template to create a Teamcenter structure of the register and all the required deliverables. The Excel spreadsheet includes the name of the deliverable, the structure indent level, and how they will map to attributes in Teamcenter to cover the likes of category and due dates. All the column headers from the Excel sheet are mapped to the corresponding Teamcenter attributes, and then the import is run. The results of the master document register import created in Teamcenter is a structure that can be reviewed. Timings for the MDR can be updated, allowing Teamcenter to send automatic reminders out when deadlines are approaching for each of the deliverables. We will be collaborating on the MDR with external partners later, and we can associate these partners to the MDR itself. Later, these will be used to give controlled access to some of the deliverable records. In Teamcenter, we have an higher level program managing all the work, and the MDR created through the lifecycle of the program can easily be added to these for ease of navigation by the program team. With the MDR in place, pre-configured workflows are used to drive the approval and execution of the deliverables. One such process used is the approval of the MDR itself. In this case, we are asking an external engineer to review the MDR and approve it. The external engineer is notified and logs into Teamcenter to look at their task list. The task includes the MDR itself that needs approving. The external engineer opens it to review. They are happy with the contents and then return to the task list to approve it. Now the program manager is going to set up the assignment matrix for who will populate, review and approve the deliverables. As well as the matrix, the program manager can set up the rules of credit to automatically populate attribute values in the deliverables when they are being worked on. The values entered here can then be used in reports, so the entire MDR's maturity can be reviewed. The program manager now adds the details to the assignment matrix. This matrix allows the workflows to deliver tasks to the relevant people based on the category, discipline and state of each deliverable. These can then be copied and tweaked for each deliverable type and assignment type required. The MDR is now in place in Teamcenter to allow us to efficiently execute and approve the deliverable content.